Well. How are we feeling, guys? It is the next day. I'm feeling good. As you can see, I just finished putting on this face mask. Now it is time to go and make some brekkie. But yesterday was very productive, very chill. We got our laundry done. Almost. I need to dry one more load. We did our cleaning and whatnot. And now it's the next day and I'm feeling really freaking good. So, yeah. Let's go make some scrambled eggs with some smoked salmon. I made a really good coconut curry rice dish with some chicken yesterday. So good. Like, it is really good. I think I'll have to make a video on it here, like a cook with me or something, because I feel like people deserve to eat this meal. It's so good and it's like perfect for the cold weather. So yes. Anywho, hey, but before we go and do that, I didn't even update you guys on my haircut. What do we think? I think it's kind of giving 90s era type of, I'm really liking it, and I was nervous to cut it this short, but I actually really like the cut, so. I guess we're gonna be cooking with each other today. Is this mask scaring y'all? Hopefully not, but I left it on to let it really do what it needs to do, But anyways, I don't know if we still have kale haters in this world, but if you haven't tried my kale, you should give kale a second chance. Meanwhile, this is only my second time making it this way. But I'm gonna show you guys how to make it, because I made it a few days ago, or was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. And it came out really good. So first I'm just gonna wash the kale. It's still very fresh. I just bought this 2 nights ago. It's still very firm, has its shape and whatnot. But I'm going to take this kale and just put this in my skillet. I'm going to put a little oil. And what I already put in here, I already put a little bit of salt and some garlic. So that was really good. I'm trying to remember, I don't know if I put cumin or not last time, but we're going to do that anyway, because I just believe it's going to be good still. And then, this is the special ingredient here, is the chili oil. This stuff is so good. I might need to buy some more soon. But it's a chili oil, and it has like ground up like onion, crispy onion, and things like that. And it just takes the dish to a whole another level. So I might need something a little smaller. Just scoop this out. Oh, here we go. I'm just gonna take a little bit, because I don't really handle spice that much. Like, I'm not really a spice type of girl. So we are going to add a little bit of that to the kale. Just a little bit of oil, a little more oil. And then that's just gonna cook down, and it actually cooks surprisingly fast. So I'm just going to let that simmer and let that break down in the meantime. And just kind of stir it around. Actually, I think I want a little more kale, so I'm going to add a little bit more. Have a little crunch in there. we're gonna be making what I made for breakfast yesterday because I'm the type of person where I can eat the same thing every day. To be honest, if I really like it, because I just like the stuff that I choose to eat that much. And that's why I can do it on and on again. Because it's like I'm reliving it for the first time every time. So this stuff, see, it's almost done. Almost done. And I'm going to wipe off this face mask because it is more than dry. And I just don't want to have it on anymore. So once this is done, I'm gonna wipe this off and then we'll start on the eggs and my tortilla. Okay, thank you so much for your patience. I don't know, each time I was looking at the camera and I saw that face mask, I was getting creeped out. Like, I was like, let me take this off. I don't like how this looks right now. Okay, right now, what we're gonna do, something under the skillet perhaps. It's burning, which is fine with me. As long as the food is not burning, I'm not concerned. Let me adjust you guys a little bit. Anywho, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook this tortilla first. Just gonna take this and just kind of like run it around the oil a little bit, just to get it nice and toasty. I don't want to get it too I don't want it too greasy, so I'll drain the oil off the sides and whatnot, but you know, give it a little toastiness, a little color for the one time. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the eggs. So like I said, we're gonna be doing smoked salmon eggs. I'm gonna be cooking 3 eggs for breakfast. I really love eating eggs. And they're just gonna be scrambled, so we're gonna do that. I decided to really up the greens today, so I'm also gonna cook a little bit of broccolini. Just to be on the side garnish. All right, the broccolini is done, and then I'm just gonna take a little bit of this curry rice that I made yesterday with chicken, just to cook a little bit and have as a side as well. This is the rice I was telling you guys about earlier. Like, it's so good. And I don't always do rice. Last time I did noodles, so this is my first time doing it with rice, but both of them are so good. Here's that coconut curry chicken rice cooking. This is what's gonna go on the side. Gonna be the side. Yeah, so there's that tortilla. I have the hummus inside. I just sprinkle a little bit of salt on top of there. Eggs or broccolini, our tortilla with the hummus. And then we have our coconut curry chicken rice and our kale. So that's our breakfast for today. I'm so excited to eat it. Literally, we've worked for this meal and now we will indulge and enjoy this meal. The only thing, I was gonna say I wish I had some fruit, but I remembered I had this lovely smoothie. So we're gonna enjoy that. It's a mango smoothie. And let's just dig in and eat. I wanted to talk to you guys about humility. I was reading in James and I was actually astounded because I saw the correlation that jealousy and envy is a result of a lack of humility. So if you happen to struggle with that, maybe consider if there's an area where you may be struggling in pride. The word says that God opposes the proud, but he gives grace to the humble. Lastly, I just wanted to encourage you guys to love yourself, and more specifically, love the way that God created you, okay? Because you guys are beautiful. God didn't make any mistakes when he designed you, when he created your personality, even through the cleaning process. God is cleaning us up and removing the things of our heart that are not of him. But the way God created you is beautiful. He made no mistakes when he designed how you look. And the scripture says, I am fearfully and wonderfully made. And know that that scripture also applies to yourself too, okay? Like, you are beautifully and fearfully and wonderfully made, and just embrace that truth. All right, I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.